In this video, we're going to show you how to install front sway bar end links on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located in the lower front suspension. Using a 22mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Grab the wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now we went ahead and sprayed down our nuts and threads here with our rust penetrant on the upper as well as the lower on the other side of our lower control arm. We're going to use our 18mm socket with our swivel and go ahead and zip this nut off. And our shaft is spinning on the inboard portion, so I'll have to put some locking pliers on that to hold it. Go ahead and remove your locking pliers. I want to go ahead and remove the nut on the other side of our sway bar end link. Now with both of the nuts removed, you still can't push or pull that end link off. It's because our control arm wants to drop down and our sway bar is in a fixed position right here, so the studs themselves are binding up. So if we go ahead and put a jack underneath our knuckle, we're going to go ahead and raise up the suspension just a little bit, and this will literally fall right out. I'm going to put the nut on the top. I'm going to just reach around the back side here and install the nut on the lower section. Now we're going to use our 18mm socket to go ahead and tighten this down. On the inside right here, between the boot and the sway bar here, the inner portion here is actually shaped like a nut. It's an 18mm. So you can actually hold that stationary while you tighten this, and it won't spin the ball joint inside the end link. Now doing this here, we did use a thin wall instead of a regular wrench. A regular wrench won't fit in here without binding up on the boot itself. So you need a thin wrench. Let's go ahead and do the same to the bottom. Once you have both of those snug, we can now go ahead and lower our jack. Now we're going to torque both nuts to 85 foot-pounds. Go ahead and install your wheel. Get our lug nuts all started by hand first. Once we have all these on, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Now we want to go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.